Retirement is great. You have time to relax. You can finally travel. But sometimes you need a little extra cash. Did you know you can make money by writing a book? It's true. Sharing your knowledge can bring in extra income, and it's not as hard as you think. Writing a book is like sharing your life lessons. Think about what you know well. Maybe you're a whiz at gardening or cooking, or maybe you're a pro at fixing cars. Your experiences are valuable. This isn't just about making money, though. Writing a book is fun. It keeps your mind sharp. Plus, you get to connect with people who share your interests. So, are you ready to start your writing journey? Let's dive in. The key to a successful book: choosing the right topic. Think about what people are already searching for. We want to tap into a hot market. That means finding a subject with lots of interested readers. Don't just write about what you know. Write about what people want to learn. Think about problems you can solve. Can you teach people how to save money? Can you help them learn a new skill? These are the winning tickets. Need help finding a hot topic? Amazon and YouTube are your best friends. Head over to Amazon and look at the bestseller lists. What books are flying off the virtual shelves? Check out YouTube too. What are people searching for? Look at popular videos in your areas of interest. Pay attention to the comments. What questions are people asking? These platforms are gold mines for finding profitable book ideas. Listen to the readers. Reviews and comments hold the keys. Reviews and comments are more than just words on a screen. They are valuable feedback from your readers. Take the time to read them carefully. What did people like about the book? What did they wish was different? This information helps you understand what readers want. Use it to improve your writing and create a book that people will love. Beyond the books, exploring podcasts, blogs, and newsletters. Don't limit yourself to just books. Explore other avenues to see what's hot. Listen to podcasts, read blogs, and subscribe to newsletters in your areas of interest. These platforms offer a wealth of information and insights into current trends. They can spark new ideas and help you refine your book concept. Remember, the more research you do, the better equipped you'll be to write a successful book. Want to learn how to get your book seen by millions? Stay tuned to my channel where we'll dive into the world of SEO. We'll show you how to make your book a search engine superstar.